Did you accidentally leave the wrong feedback on eBay? Here's how to change it quickly and correctly. Let's dive right into the video. First of all, start by going into eBay and logging into the account from where you left the feedback. From the top menu, hover over My eBay and click on Purchase History. Scroll down and look for feedback left. Go to Account, then click on Feedback and click on Left for Others. Since I haven't left any feedback to others, here's no feedback. But if you have left, it will show here. If the seller allows you, you'll see a Request Feedback Revision option. Click it, then explain why you'd like to update or change your comment. eBay will notify the seller and they'll have 10 days to approve and change. If they accept, you'll be able to update your feedback. If there is no request revision link message from the seller directly, they can send a revision request from their end if they agree to it. And that's how you update your eBay feedback right way. Like and subscribe for more step-by-step help with the eBay journey.